first tractor job got canceled. I got fired from my very first tractor job. They decided to go with somebody with a John Deere. I guess they don't like Kubotas. But anyways, I got this. I got my truck all fueled up. Got the tractor all fueled up to go nowhere. So I guess this video is going to be about how well did I do tying down this tractor, I guess. First thing is, because it's on a little bit of a hill, I got it in four-wheel drive and I got the parking brake on. Never know. That sucker might get lifted up. Yeah, just trying to be safe. And I have the tractor in four-wheel drive and the parking brake on. I got the bucket down. I went with these straps here because someone mentioned in one of my quick videos that this strap was going around here, and it said that it could rip. So I bought these double padded ones, or whatever you want to call them, thinking that might help. Pretty tight. I got it tied down to all four corners here. I went with straps instead of chains because of not that I have any experience in any of these things, but my buddy told me that the way he looks at things is that if it's under 10,000 pounds, you can use a strap. I don't know. Anything over 10,000 pounds, use a chain. I don't know. Can't disagree or agree, I guess, because I don't know any better. But I got 4 straps, or 4 tie-down points. I don't think she's going to go anywhere, even though that we got to take her off. I was excited. But it is what it is. I don't know, can you see anything else that I'm forgetting? I don't know. I also just found out that they make stake pockets, like D-ring stake pockets that slide down here, and it has a bolt that goes through on the bottom. When you have a D-ring, I might pick up 4 of those. The strap thing, I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I don't know. Probably overthinking it. That's all I got for you guys. Kind of bummed. All right. Get you on the next one.